First step is to measure out 10 grams of clay. And also 20 grams. Once you've done that, take each of them and form them into a ball. Use your calipers to measure the diameter of both of the balls. Use your string to cut halfway into the ball until you're through the center, and then seal that up. Slide the string so that it no longer protrudes from the end, and just reform it into a sphere to make your pendulum. You can tape a ruler down to a surface, or if you're worried about the surface getting damaged, just put a heavy book on there to create an overhanging ruler. The ruler should be overhanging by about 5 centimeters. Use a piece of tape to secure the string of your pendulum. Ensure that the string runs parallel to the edge of the ruler, and place your tape like so. What this allows you to do is to let the string slip underneath the tape so that the height of the pendulum can be adjusted. To make the angle guide, take a piece of scrap paper, note where the factory corner is, or the cut corner. You can make a square like so. These two are the factory edges. To make a 45-degree angle, I will fold those fold the corner carefully in half. That's 45 degrees. If I fold this again, I will get an angle of 22.5, and if I fold that again, I get an angle of roughly 11 degrees. You can open it out up to this point now. Let me just flatten it, and we can mark. The smallest angle we see is about 11 degrees. Two of those make an angle of 22.5 degrees, and the entire angle across there is 45 degrees. Use your tape measure to ensure that your center of the pendulum is 20 centimeters below the hanging point. Move the string out of the way, and we're ready for our experiments. Set the pendulum swinging with an angle of 11 degrees. We can measure the period by first considering the point at which the pendulum is moving towards the right and about to reverse. Consider that our 0 point. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can see that it took 9.07 seconds for the pendulum to complete 10 oscillations.